right, quick update on Walmart Plus. Got that delivery on May 14th, 2025. Got over my $35 limit with the salt. Would have needed several bags with the discount they were giving me. So I got 2 salts and 1 Tasteful for the kitty cat. The salts $4.16.68 for 2. Tasteful $31.98. Jeez. Kitty, you're expensive. Mika. Subtotal was $48.66. Tax $3.65. Driver tip $4.87. So $57.85. 18. So $57.80. 18 order. Very good. So first delivery was great. The guy came when I was working on the lawn. So I rolled the rolling cart out and actually ended up rolling it in myself. So I'm silly, but it's better than the front door. It's better than the garage here. We've got our water softener from A.O. Smith. Got some sneakies down here. My little chair to sit in. Yes, it's one of those chairs left over from my grandparent. But a chair to chair. All right, guys. Neko's got some regular Morton salt. Pellets. They recommended pellets. 40-pound tag. We got some. This time Neko's going to get some Tasteful adult indoor cat food with chicken brown rice recipe. Oh boy, Neki. You get it made. Healthy digestion, kidney and bladder health, and the skin and coat healthy. We like the skin because he likes to bite his fur back in the old days, and now he's gotten better. He doesn't do it like he used to. Got the Morton, got the other Morton. This is going to work out fine with Walmart Plus. We just have to think about it, get that 35 bucks. Alrighty, she rack. They're pretty good. It's a little tight in the middle ones for me. Then I've got something in the behind me that my wife uses. In Florida, we've got this little rack here at the side door. Little tiny TV if we want some music and watch something, but it's so small. The rack's great for air drying shirts. You get all sweaty in Florida. You put it on a plastic hanger, not metal, and they dry. I got some paint on this one. I got to work with some alcohol in it. Got one of those long sleeve shirts for going out in the yard. Get the sun up, keep the sun off your arms. Okay, I got hats. Keep the sun off my face and head. That's what you do in Florida. So Walmart Plus, happy. I'm happy and successful. You guys have a great day.